On my way out to the store, of the store, I noticed a man walk in front of the sliding doors, going to the cart section of the Publix.
Almost 1 year after Marcos Rivera was shot several times while working as a Loomis money carrier at an Altamont Springs Publix, Rivera taking the stand in front of the man accused of attempting to kill him. Rivera describing to the jury how the suspect, Lil Birdie Willis, caught his attention because of his layered clothing, hat, and glasses on a warm Florida afternoon as he walked out of the Publix with more than $10,000 in his bag. Rivera saying he saw Willis pull out a gun.
The first shot, when I saw him pull out the weapon, I already noticed that I wasn't going to be able to draw my weapon, so I kind of turned around. So I got one bullet to the back of my head.
Rivera says another gunshot hit him in his face.
What about the fourth shot?
The fourth shot missed. It passed by my head.
Willis was arrested several days later, charged with attempted murder and armed robbery. His brother charged with stealing the car believed to be the vehicle involved in the shooting. In 911 calls released days after the shooting, witnesses were heard describing Publix employees and shoppers surrounding Rivera, all trying to keep him alive. Rivera recalling those moments himself.
Fell on the ground. I got a lot of people that came to my aid, put some rags or napkins, to stop the bleeding. And I was walking out, I kind of noticed that he looked a little bit weird. So I stood there, and it happened so quick. He pulled the gun on me and fired 4 times.
This surveillance video inside the Altamont Springs Publix played to the jury today, showing the moments before, during, and after Loomis money carrier Marcos Rivera was shot. Investigators say the gunman in this video is Lil Birdie Willis, charging him with attempted murder and armed robbery. Willis arrested several days later. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement says it searched his cell phone, with investigators claiming it showed internet searches for news articles about the Publix shooting immediately following the incident.
Specifically, were there any articles about the Altamont shooting?
Yes, between October 22nd and the following morning, there were several different specific news related articles that were visited by the user on this web browser.
This witness also appeared via Skype, telling the jury her 1997 Nissan Maxima was stolen from an Altamont Springs convenience store 2 days before the shooting. The car believed to be Willis's getaway vehicle. Rivera coming face to face with the man he says tried to take his life almost 1 year ago.
Do you see the man who shot you and took the money from you in the courtroom today?
Yes, I do.